Welcome to all. Next, I am going to take the feature is expand. So, what is the use of that feature? I am just selecting here magnetic lasso. Magic wand tool. I am selecting this now. Only the black area is selected. So, what I need to do? I am select inverse. What it is mean by select inverse? It selected the inverse area. So, if I'll cut it here, was perfectly cut, and I can easily paste here. Okay, so this is happening here. So control is that if you want some more edge in a blood or is a not in a jagged edge, some merger is required. Then what you need to select, modify. Then you can use expand. Then how many expand? Only 2 pixel you can give. Then you can select modify. Further you can give, and further you can give 3. Then control X. Then I am pasting here. So you will get a outer border, little bit outer border you will get. How you achieved through that? What you have done, you are expanded. Which one? Select, modify, expand. This is the thing when we are working on that. And if you want to contract also, we can reduce it. How can you do that? Contract. How many pixels? 2 again. Then cut it. Then I am pasting the same place. Then I'm moving both separately. So now you can see the difference between little bit space you are given and cut it and without spacing. So which one you like it more, you can use it on your designs, day-to-day designs and everything. So this is a 2 ways you can cut your images. So this also I am giving it. So this is a 2 ways you can cut the images and perfectly you can cut it and paste it. So the feature is called modify, expand and contract. And you can also give one more option is there in that. Sometimes the pixels are smooth, edges are not smooth. You can select here, modify, you can do smooth. So how many pixel you can put? 3 pixel. It will be smooth on adjustments. Instead of jagged edges, you will get a smooth edges. But when you have very high quality printing only, you can see that in the screen you can go to the edges. In the screen, if you go to the edges, then only you can see that. That's the difference. I'll zoom and show you what is the difference. This is smooth edges. This is very jagged edges. Again, I have given little space here on this. You see that. So these are the difference when you are cutting the image using different properties. Thank you for watching. Please use in your design this feature whenever it is required. So this is perfectly cut.